Good morning. Welcome to a new class. This is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Costa from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. Today we continue working in our science class. Please open your book to page 382 and 383. Are you ready to read? Okay. Mixtures and solutions. Jam! Cool lemonade tastes good in a hot firehouse. Several kinds of matter make lemonade tasty mixture. Active reading. As you read these two pages, find an example of a solution. Circle the word that names the solution and the picture that shows it. Fruit salad is a mixture. Okay, first tell me, what do you see in the picture? I see a man and I see a pitcher of juice. What kind of juice is that one? And I see a bowl of fruit salad. Okay, so continue reading. A mixture is two or more substances that are combined without changing any of them, because no new matter is formed. Making a mixture is a physical change. A box of paints and markers is a mixture. So is a chest of toys. Can you name another mixture? Okay, tell me another mixture. When we make rice and chicken, that is a mixture. When we make a salad, lettuce salad with cucumbers and tomatoes and carrots, that is a mixture too. What else is a mixture? A soup. Okay, think about if we make a soup, that is a solution and it's a mixture too. Why? If you think about, you will see chopped potatoes and chopped carrots and yuca and what else? Pataste, yes. But it's a solution too because your mom adds many things to give it taste, okay? So that is a mixture and is a solution too. That is a good example, okay? Many different kinds of fruit have been cut and poured into the bowl. Each kind of fruit in this mixture has kept its identity. If you see the kiwi, the watermelon, the melon, and the orange, they still look like the fruit, like the real fruit. But what happens if you put this in the blender and you add water and sugar, you will make a juice. That is a solution. It will change the identity, okay? Continue reading. Page 383. A solution is a mixture in which all the substances are evenly mixed. Salt water is a solution. If you get a cup of water, you will see that it changed a little bit. It changed the color. The water will not be really clear, okay? So it's a tea. If you put a bag of tea in a hot cup of water, you will see that the water will change the color, okay? To make a solution, you completely mix or dissolve one substance in another. All solutions are mixtures. Lemonade is a mixture of water, okay? Let's circle the word lemonade. Okay, it's a mixture of water, sugar, and lemon juice. Yes, you mix the lemon juice with water and sugar. It is also a solution because the sugar and lemon juice have dissolved in the water. Okay? Each kind of matter in a solution keeps its identity. It may not seem that way because you cannot see all the different substances. All their tiniest parts are evenly mixed together. What's in it? Complete each sentence. Number 1. Lemonade is one kind of what? Tell me. It's one kind of mixture. Okay? Number 2. To make lemonade, you sugar and lemon juice in water. You dissolve sugar and lemon juice in the water, and you add ice. Remember? Yesterday we did our brain check, and we see that we have there ice. You have to add ice to the lemonade, okay? Number 3. In a, like lemonade, substances are evenly mixed together, okay? In a solution, like lemonade, substances are evenly mixed together. Okay, thank you. We finished today with our science class. Please wait for the next video so you can complete your pages in science class and you can learn about mixtures and solutions, and we have more to learn, okay? See you in a new video. Good job, you are doing great. You are working hard, so continue learning at home. I send you hugs and I send you kisses. I love you so much. Bye-bye.